Hi, and I wanted just to reflect back on my video from yesterday where I talked about stress and subconscious versus unconscious responses and acting like a baby in front of challenges and how that comes from childhood programming. And I think I should make a distinction between subconscious and unconscious. Whereas with subconscious issues, you are to an extent aware that you're behaving a certain way and you can change it. And it's done easily enough with practice, like I had recommended, is before you react, take a breath and choose something different. Now, there's also a more complicated part, which is known as the unconscious work that may be required. And that lies beyond the field of awareness, beyond you knowing why you do certain things, why you behave a certain way, why you react a certain way. And that can be changed, but only with some very deep shadow work, some deep work with a therapist or a coach such as myself. I do know some hypnotherapy techniques that can help change the program. In the end, the distinction is one you're more aware of, one you're less aware of, but both you can be witness to and observe and know that there is desire and a need to change something. I don't think there's anything else I want to add to that. Just to leave you to stew on those two thoughts, because it's important not to use those two terms interchangeably, and also to seek help for either one could look different. For instance, my losing weight over the past 6 months came from rewiring my own subconscious programming around food and my habits around eating and exercise. And I changed them pretty well with mindful practices. Now, there's always a possibility of going back to old habits. It's easy for me to do that here in Mexico, for instance, where it can be very stressful and associated with a part of my youth. So far, so good. Well, we'll see when I get on the scale when I get back to Miami or Fort Myers in the next couple of days. Again, I thank you for tuning into this. Like and subscribe. I will keep sharing ways to deal with stress, breath. It's all part of it. Okay, thank you.